because of everything that Lori has done to help me through her full body approach, not just working on my knee that I had redone. You know, back in March, I had a knee replacement. Back in November, I had my first knee replacement. And what brought me to Lori was the second knee replacement. But she didn't just concentrate on that. She helped me with my full body. And that's what helped me the most, is just her helping me kind of undo all the problems that I had really from head to toe. Especially in my back and low back and in my hips, and then concentrating on my knee. I just feel like like I'm 10 years younger than I was, and it's been like I got my life back, able to walk, able to go for walks, go up and down stairs, cook for my family. It's just been wonderful.